and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because I'm going to go ahead and clean my house. I'm going to show you guys how to clean certain areas of the house that may be untouched, such as your water kettle, deodorizing your couch, the top of the oven, and so much more. So I'm very excited. But first, I want to show you all my cute apron that I'm wearing. So this is what it looks like. My mother-in-law actually made it for me, and I just think it is the cutest apron ever, down to every single detail. I love this little bow here on the side, and yeah, I think it's so cute and feminine, and I'm absolutely in love with it. So if you're interested in a homemade apron, let me know, and maybe you can get a beautiful apron like this as well. All right, so let's go ahead and get cleaning and make the house beautiful and fresh. So first, I am going to clean my sink using some baking soda. And baking soda is great to use for so many things, especially when it comes to cleaning your kitchen. I like using it to clean my tub as well, but I'm mixing it with some dish soap right now, and I'm just pretty much scrubbing everywhere. And don't forget to also scrub and clean your drainer as well, because so much food gets stuck in there. Now I am pouring some baking soda down the garbage disposal so that we can get rid of the funky smells. So I didn't film it here, but I also poured some vinegar as well as some hot boiling water down the garbage disposal, and this pretty much deodorizes the smell. And now I am adding my lemon into the garbage disposal, and I'm going to turn everything on. And yeah, now it'll have a lemony and fresh scent. Alright, now for the top of the stove. As you can see, a lot of gunk and oil and food grease can actually go up into this area, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it right now with some baking soda again. So I'm just pouring a little bit of baking soda at a time, and I usually use a tougher sponge to wipe and clean this area. However, I didn't have that, so I'm just using a microfiber cloth to scrub everything, and this really gets into the grease and takes away all the gunk and dirt that's up here in this area. Alright, I wiped everything down, and so now it's all clean. And it's really nice to clean areas of the kitchen that might be overlooked. So while we're in the kitchen, I also want to show you what else I do. I actually like to wash my stove knobs because they can get pretty greasy and grimy when you're cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this bowl with some hot water and some dish soap. Alright, we have the hot water and dish soap. I'm going to leave this right over here. And then I'm literally, if you don't know how to take this off, all you pretty much do is pull it off. And as you can see, you can see the little dirt. I have like freaking cat hair over here. So I'm going to go ahead and plop this into the bowl and leave the knobs here for like 30 minutes. Alright, so now all the knobs are soaking, and again, this is kind of something that a lot of people don't really do when they're cleaning. So again, if you're new to cleaning or you recently moved to your own place, here are some things that you can clean. And then, now that the knobs are off, you can see all the dirt right over here underneath the knobs. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off, and it'll be clean in 3, 2, and 1. And I just cleaned behind the knobs. So now I'm pretty much moving my whole couch, and I'm going to clean, vacuum, and mop everything that's behind and underneath the couch, because for me, it does get pretty dirty under there, and whew, it was such a good feeling to finally clean this area. And I do love using my Dyson Vacuum. I think it's such a good investment, even though it is quite expensive. It is such a lifesaver, and it really does make your house so clean. And Honestly, I just love this vacuum so much. So because I have a cat, sometimes the couch can smell like cat. I know that sounds really weird, but I need to deodorize my couch at times because I just want it to smell fresh and clean. So what I'm doing is taking my baking soda again and I'm sifting it and I'm just putting it on most areas of the couch, and this will really soak up all those cat smells from my couch. Now I'm just putting some essential oils onto my couch, and this will really help the couch smell a lot better. So as for the water boiler, as you can see, there are white little spots below. This is actually mineral deposits, and I don't think it's quite healthy to consume this. So what I did was add some vinegar to my water kettle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and let it boil. All right, while the vinegar is boiling, I just wanted to give you another tip. Remember to change out your sponges because I've been using this for a couple months already, and I think it's about time to change it to a new sponge. And if you keep a sponge for too long, there can be a funky smell, and I mean there's no smell really, but it just doesn't look that great. So I'm going to change it to this sponge. Alright, the vinegar is boiling, and let's check to see if the mineral deposits are gone. Alright, perfect. So now everything is clean. There are no more mineral deposits. There's no more gunk, and it looks clean. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it with water so that there won't be any vinegar left in the water boiler. So it's been a good 30 minutes, so now I am just vacuuming up the baking soda and all parts of the couch, all the nooks and crannies of the couch. And it just feels so satisfying to vacuum a couch and make everything feel so fresh. All right, let's smell the couch and see if this worked. Yes, it smells so good. It's fresh. I can smell the essential oils, even though I just put a little bit. The odor is gone. I do not smell any more cat smells, and it's definitely something that you should do maybe every month or 2 months. So. Makes me so happy. All right, so I have my knobs right over here, and everything feels really good. It seems like the grease is now off the knobs, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe everything with my microfiber cloth, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the knobs back on my oven. But anyway, it is a super gloomy day outside, as you can see, and I actually am quite enjoying it today though. Usually, I haven't been enjoying the gloom, but today I am loving it because I think after I clean, I'm gonna go ahead and just enjoy a movie and just relax a little bit. My husband comes home in 2 hours, so I'm probably gonna get the dinner started soon as well because I'm super hungry. I didn't actually eat lunch or breakfast today because I just felt like I had to film right away, so I didn't eat anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook dinner as well. And yeah, I'm not really a housewife. I do more of the cleaning because my husband does work more hours than me, but he's amazing and he does help a lot around the house, which is amazing. But I do really appreciate women who really make this their full-time job. And I know that in this society, we kind of we don't want to be housewives and it's looked down upon, but hey, if you want to be a housewife, or if you want to spend more time making the house a home, and being a housewife isn't just cleaning and cooking, it's actually making your house a home where you both love to be, where it is your safe place, your sanctuary pretty much, and just a really beautiful place just to create a family and just make it all about love. I mean, I'm not 100% there at all, and I don't cook the best or anything like that, but it is good to really make your house a home and to feel cozy in it, to feel so much love and peace. Peace most importantly though. So anyway, this is all. Do I have anything else? No, I don't. Okay. All right, so let me go ahead and put the knobs back. And bright and I pity any girl who isn't me tonight.
I feel pretty and witty and bright, and I pity any girl who isn't me tonight.
I hope you all enjoyed this video of cleaning tips, especially for those who are creating a home or who just moved to their new place. I hope that these tips help you, and just know that cleaning can be fun, especially if you have a good YouTube video out, if you're listening to some fun music. Cleaning can be really fun and relaxing. And again, this is my apron. The reason why I have this clear thing is because sometimes you may be talking to your friend, FaceTiming, or you're talking, or maybe you want to film a video, so you can just slip your phone right in here. And my mother-in-law knows that I like make videos, so that's why she made this clear little pocket for me. So I think it's super cute. And then again, I'm just in love with this bow. It's just the cutest. So anyway, everyone, I love you all so much. If you have any other video suggestions, comment down below. I'd love to hear them. I love you all so much. And I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Bye. Hello, my loves. Okay, let me channel my confidence.